The 2025 Toyota Century represents the pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity in Toyota's lineup, known for its understated elegance, cutting-edge technology, and a deep connection to Japanese craftsmanship. As the flagship sedan of the brand, the Century has always been synonymous with the highest levels of comfort, sophistication, and quiet dignity, a true reflection of Japanese culture's value for subtlety and refinement. The 2025 Toyota Century maintains its traditional regal presence but is subtly updated with contemporary touches that enhance its timeless appeal. The exterior is characterized by a stately and formal design that prioritizes grace over aggressiveness. At the front, the Century's distinctive, hand-polished grille features intricate latticework, embodying the brand's attention to detail. This grille is flanked by sleek LED headlamps, designed with a minimalist yet modern aesthetic. The rear of the car mirrors the front's elegant design, featuring simple yet distinguished taillights with thin LED strips, ensuring the Century stands out both day and night. A single, thin chrome strip stretches across the trunk, tying the design together with a final touch of sophistication. Inside the 2025 Toyota Century, the philosophy of omotenashi, or Japanese hospitality, is at the forefront. Every aspect of the interior is meticulously crafted to offer unparalleled comfort and luxury. The cabin is an oasis of tranquility, insulated with state-of-the-art noise cancellation technologies that ensure a whisper-quiet ride, no matter the road conditions. Seating inside the Century is akin to sitting in a high-end lounge. The plush, leather-upholstered seats are hand-stitched, featuring intricate patterns inspired by traditional Japanese textiles. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Century is powered by a hybrid powertrain, which combines a powerful V8 engine with an electric motor. This hybrid system not only ensures ample power when needed but also allows for a smooth, quiet drive, enhancing the car's luxury credentials. The suspension system in the Century is engineered for maximum comfort, utilizing adaptive air suspension to absorb road imperfections and provide a cushioned ride. Whether driving over rough terrain or smooth highways, the Century glides along with an effortless grace. The steering is light yet precise, making the car easy to maneuver despite its size. In keeping with its focus on passenger comfort, the 2025 Century is also equipped with an active noise cancellation system that eliminates unwanted exterior sounds, making the cabin even quieter. The 2025 model stands as a true testament to Toyota's dedication to creating vehicles that are not just modes of transportation, but works of art designed to enrich the lives of those who experience them.